Well, the NCP's core committee is meeting to take a final call on whether it will go ahead with an alliance with the Congress. Of course, do remember that the NCP has been stuck on the number of seats it wants to contest on. It says it will not go down from 144. It's seeking a 50-50 seat sharing arrangement with the Congress party. The Congress party, of course, has been keeping its cards close to its chest. Publicly, they have been saying that the alliance will go ahead, that they will iron out these issues. But what we are also learning from our correspondents is that the NCP is unlikely to come out with any sort of decision today, despite this core committee meeting being held. Megha Prasad has been tracking the developments. Megha, as you were earlier talking to us, it is unlikely that they will come out with a public statement on whether this alliance will go forward or not. That essentially is because they are still waiting for the BJP and the Shiv Sena alliance to decide on whether they're going to continue or not. Megha, well, we seem to have lost that audio connection with Megha. We'll try and repatch with her. But what we have been learning from our correspondents is that it is unlikely that today the NCP will come out and formally state whether it will go ahead with the alliance with the Congress or not. Publicly, they have been saying that the issue is about the number of seats each party gets to contest on. The NCP says that it wants 144 seats, but also our correspondents have been giving us the inside buzz where they have been talking about the fact that the NCP is unlikely to make any announcements till the time that the BJP Shiv Sena alliance, which is in troubled waters as well over the seat sharing arrangement, comes out with what they intend to do next. Also, both the Congress and the NCP are also looking at how many seats they can contest on. Lists are expected shortly, but nothing we are being told is going to be made clear today. The NCP core committee meeting is on at the moment, even as we speak. Visuals on your screen right now are coming to you live from that meeting. Let's try and repatch with Megha Prasad, who's been tracking developments. Megha, as I was earlier saying, that even though the NCP says that it is likely to make a decision today, it is unlikely that they will communicate formally whether they will end the alliance or go ahead and sort out the differences with the Congress party.
Well, yes, you're correct, because, the way things have been moving in the last 1 week, whether be it the Sena and the BJP alliance or the NCP, the Congress alliance, let's understand in a relative manner, the situation between the Congress and the NCP is not as bad as it is between the Sena and the BJP. Here the situation is such where, it is a stalemate that is existing right now, that the Congress doesn't seem to be extremely forthcoming when it comes to the seat sharing talks. The NCP leader's been telling us that they've been reminding Congress every now and then that the time's running out, the nomination dates have already begun. They have to announce a list of the candidates. Why isn't the Congress taking the first step of sitting down and, sorting out how the seat sharing arrangements between the two parties will go? And what they say is that the Congress had been, there's just been one answer that they'd been hearing from the Congress till late last week, was that Ms. Sonia Gandhi is not around, and hence the decision-taking powers that rests with her. So nobody else would really be, wanting to take a call on how things would move in this alliance, and hence they shall wait.
Finalizing our candidates, and that exercise has been going on with the Central Election Committee. We are again meeting the leadership. We are going to meet Congress President and General Secretary in charge to finalize the seats which are pending. The discussion with NCP is going out on a separate track.
So do you think the Congress can go alone?
काँग्रेस पक्षाची स्क्रीनिंग कमिटी आणि इलेक्शन कमिटीची आज बैठक झाली. त्यामध्ये ज्या सीट्स अजून प्रलंबित आहेत त्याबद्दलचा निर्णय आता थोड्या वेळात आणखी घेण्याकरता मी चाललेलो आहोत.
सर, आघाडीबाबत काय चर्चा आहे?
वेगळ्या स्तरावरती चाललेली.
सर, हिंदी में 80 सीटों पर चर्चा की जा रही है. सभी सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ने का आज सुबह मजदूर मिस्त्री ने कहा कि हम सभी सीटों पर तैयारी कर रहे हैं, सभी सीटों पर उम्मीदवारों के लिए हम तैयार हैं.
देखिए, जैसे मैंने कहा, हम अपनी जो उम्मीदवार चयन करने की प्रक्रिया पूरी कर रहे हैं, और उसमें जो अंतिम दौर पे जो कुछ सीटें बची है उनका फैसला करने के लिए हम सभी अभी कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा और हमारे प्रभारी के पास जा रहे हैं.
सर,
तो हम अपनी सीटें जो है पूरी कर लेंगे. जो एनसीपी के साथ बातचीत हो रही है वो अलग स्तर पे हो रही है.
One question: How long are you willing to wait? How long are you willing to wait for the NCP?
We're not waiting for NCP. The discussion is going on with NCP. That's all I can say.
Sir, the chances of the Congress going it alone in Maharashtra, are you ready to go it alone, sir?
चलो छोड़ो